technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial on MS Excel for the beginners. We are Team Inclusive Globe Technology and I am Oindrila Basu. Today we are going to learn two new topics. First one is what is the default row height and column width, and second one is what is the upper limit and lower limit that can be applied to a row height or a column width in a manual resizing method through screen reader NVDA and using keyboard only. I am opening a new workbook.
Book 2-Excel, Sheet 1, Table 1.
To check the default row height, I am pressing Alt-H-O-H.
Ribbon tabs, tab control, cell size grouping, row height dialog, row height colon, edit Alt plus R blank.
I am in the row height dialog box. Now I am pressing down arrow.
14.4.
So 14.4 is the default row height in Excel 2019. Row height is determined by font size. It can be set to minimum 0 to maximum 409 points, where 1 point equals to 0.035 centimeter approximately. The row height 0 means the row is hidden. Let's see in the application. Our active cell is A2.
A2.
So we are in the second row. Now we are going to set this row height to 0. I am pressing Alt-H-O-H for the row height dialog box.
Ribbon tabs, tab control X, cell size group, row height dialog, row height colon, edit Alt plus R blank.
I am writing 0 in the edit box.
0.
And pressing enter.
Book 2-Excel, Sheet 1, Table 2.
Now let us see the row numbers in the worksheet.
A1, A3, A1, A3.
After A1, it is narrating A3. That means row 2 is hidden. To unhide the row, we have to select the adjacent rows or the cells. So I am selecting A1 to A3.
A1 through A3 selected, row 1 through 3, column 1.
Now I am again pressing Alt-H-O-H.
Ribbon tabs, tab, cell size group, row height dialog, row height colon, edit Alt plus R blank.
To unhide the row, we have to write any number up to 409 except 0. I am resetting the row height to its default value 14.4.
14.4
and pressing enter.
Book 2-Excel.
Let's see the row numbers in the worksheet now.
A1, A2, A3.
See, row 2 is visible now. As we know, for the row height, the allowed range is 0 to 409. Any value beyond the range will not be permitted. Let us test with some invalid values. I am opening row height dialog box.
Ribbon tabs, tab control, cell size grouping, row height dialog, row height colon, edit Alt plus R blank.
I am writing 410 in the edit box.
410.
I am pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog, row height must be between 0 and 409. OK button.
I am pressing OK button.
Row height dialog, row height colon, edit Alt plus R blank.
Now I am giving the value -1.
-1.
I am pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog, row height must be between 0 and 409. OK button.
Now I am pressing OK button.
Row height dialog, row height colon, edit Alt plus R blank.
Next we will see the default column width. My active cell is B1.
B1.
That means I am in the second column. Now I am pressing Alt-H-O-W for the column width dialog box.
Ribbon tabs, tab controllers, column width dialog, column width colon, edit Alt plus C blank.
I am pressing down arrow.
8.11.
So 8.11 is the default column width in Excel 2019. It means in the default column width, a cell can display 8 characters approximately. Column width can be set to minimum 0 to maximum 255 characters. Column width 0 means the column is hidden. Let's see in the application. We are in the second column and we are going to set it to 0.
Column width colon, edit alt plus C blank.
I am writing 0 in the edit box
0.
and pressing enter.
Book 2-Excel, sheet 1 table B1.
Let's see the columns in the worksheet.
A1, C1, A1, C1.
After A1, NVDA is narrating C1, that means B column is hidden. To unhide the B column, we have to select the adjacent columns or the cells first. For this, I am selecting A1 to C1.
A1 through C1 selected, row 1 column 1.
I am pressing Alt-H OW again for the column width dialog box.
Ribbon tabs tab control column width dialog, column width colon, edit alt plus C blank.
To unhide the column, we have to write any number up to 255 except 0. Suppose I am resetting it to 10, so I am writing 10 in the edit box
1, 0.
and pressing enter.
Book 2-Excel, sheet 1 table, A1 through C1 selected, row 1 column 1.
Let's see the columns now in the worksheet.
A1, B1, C1.
So B column is now visible. As we know, the allowed range for the column width is 0 to 255. Therefore, any value beyond the range will not be permitted. Let us test with some invalid values. For this, I am opening column width dialog box again.
Ribbon tabs tab control column width dialog, column width colon, edit alt plus C blank.
I am giving the value 256 in the edit box.
256.
I am pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog, column width must be between 0 and 255 characters. OK button.
I am pressing OK button.
Column width dialog, column width colon, edit alt plus C blank.
Now I am giving an invalid value -10.
-10.
I am pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog, column width must be between 0 and 255 characters. OK button.
I am pressing OK button.
Column width dialog, column width colon, edit alt plus C blank.
Here we have to remember that default value of row height and column width may vary from version to version. At the end of this tutorial, I am going to list up the salient shortcut keys that I have mentioned in this tutorial. To view and reset the row height, Alt-H OH, and to view and reset the column width, Alt-H OW. This is all about for today. If you have any query, then email us at info@inclusiveglobe.com. If you feel this tutorial is informative, please share it to your friends. You can also get the previous tutorial links in the description, and we are eagerly waiting for your valued opinion and a like. Thank you.